Sobrang pump up na pump up marami sa inyo, and it's already Poco F7 series ngayon. They will be launching sa March 27, and sa aking kaliwa, this is yung dilaw, no, is the Poco F7 Ultra, and on my right, it's the Poco F7 Pro. So makita mo yung kanyang different design. So medyo curved si F7 Ultra sa kanyang likod, and flat yung kanyang likod sa F7 Pro. That's as far as we can see dito sa kanyang picture. Pareho silang metal frames, and ito ang mga specs na tinis ni Poco. And as we know, it's the first time na nagkaroon ng Ultra na phone si Poco. This is also the first time na meron D7 chipset na Vision Boost si Poco. Now, dedicated na graphics boost to para sa both phones, which enhances yung gaming experience if you're a gamer just like me. And of course, upgraded na rin Wild Boost Optimization 4.0 to give you the better na gameplay experience, lesser mga frame drops along the way if you're playing for long hours. No? This would definitely enhance yung experience pagdating sa gaming on both of the Poco F7 series. Now, pinakita rin na ang Antutu benchmark na F7 Ultra, which is a Snapdragon 8 Elite by the way, na-achieve daw siya ng 2.8 million points. While sa ibang mga phones, sa mga competitors, nakakuha siya ng 2.4 million na Antutu benchmark score having the same chipset. So, with that said, so it's a big expectation sa Poco F7 series. Sa Ultra, this is the first time na nagkaroon ng Ultra si Poco, and I'm really excited. I think kayo rin siguro probably very excited na rin, lalo mga gumamit ng Poco F5, F6, no? I think there might be an upgrade itch sa inyo. So stay tuned sa March 27 sa kanilang launching, and of course sa aking channel for the full review. So don't forget to subscribe for more.